So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Divine Grace Corcio. I'm entrepreneur, coach, and founder of Digital Consultancy and Services and Prep for You Services. So right now, what I'm going to share to you is, about your listing. There are times that you will get this one, the unpublished item. So this is very important that you need to check your unpublished item. So what are the reasons, that you have this and then item errors? Because, that it will give you a reason, that you don't get any sales, in your Walmart account. So what you're going to do is click that. Okay, so you can see here these are unpublished, and then if you can see what are the images, the item details, what are those items, status, so why this is unpublished. So if you will go over here and click go over or click the info, you will see here um the reason why. So number one, like this one, customers would save drastically by purchasing these items on a competing website. So when the unpublished item price is back within an acceptable range, the item will be republished. So meaning this one, the reason this is unpublished because of your price. So you need to check, what are the previous price of these items, and then you will reprice it, and then Walmart will publish your account or your listing. And then let's see this one, let's click that. The same thing also, this is about the price. Okay, so let's see the other, if we can. So like this one, no shipping information. Okay, so was not set up. So please resubmit item with shipping price via Seller Central or API for an update. So you need to follow, what are the information that Walmart is asking you, so they can publish your listing. Okay, so like this one, this is also about the price. Okay, this one, the price also. Okay, so this one, price also. Okay, this is price also. So this is the same. You need to submit the shipping price via Seller Central. Okay, so price and so on. Okay, so I hope it will help you, to improve your listing in your Walmart account. Okay, so thank you very much in watching this video. And if you need help, about Walmart, finding products to sell, also helping you, to prepare your WFS products and ship it to Walmart. So we can help you with that. And also, if you need the FBM or partner that will help you to ship your orders to your customers, we can also help you with that. And also for the virtual assistant, no? So we have virtual assistant. We have trained virtual assistant to help you to manage your Walmart account. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions, you can comment in this video in the comment bar, and I will make sure that I will answer your inquiries. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless.